A judge is ordering U.S. immigration officials to release an Austin ISD high school senior from ICE custody.
KXAN investigative reporter Kelly Wiley reports the teen is expected to be out in time for graduation.
High school senior Luis Fernando Cabrera is expected to leave immigration detention before the end of the week after a federal judge ruled the 18-year-old is not a flight risk. For weeks, since a DPS trooper trained to make immigration arrests stopped the teen over an expired registration, U.S. Congressman Greg Casar, his classmates, and his teachers have been pushing for him to be released in time for his June graduation. Cabrera's attorney says his sister was elated as she learned the news.
She was just so happy and very grateful, I think, that everybody had come together in solidarity with the family.
Federal court records show the judge granted the teen's habeas corpus ruling because Cabrera had no known criminal history, had been complying with the terms of a prior release, and because there's no indication of a flight risk or danger to the community.
I hope that there is a trend from our judiciary of reading these petitions and letting young people out and everyday people out that pose zero threat to anyone.
According to ICE, Cabrera entered the country with his family in 2019. Cabrera's legal team says his family has been working through the courts to seek asylum in the country since then.
Yeah, he still has a pending asylum case, and that will continue. Like the judge said, there's no reason to even think that he's a flight risk, that he's not going to show up at his hearing. I mean, he's been in this country since he was 11 years old.
And Kelly joins us now. So what exactly is next?
So Judge Jason Pulliam wants a status update on where and when ICE is planning to release Cabrera. When we obtained the order this morning, we reached out to ICE to hear their plans for his release. We've not yet heard back, but previously ICE officials told us that Cabrera freely admitted to having no legal basis to remain in the U.S., and they said that the agency encourages people who are undocumented to leave the U.S. and come back, quote, the right legal way. We will update you when we learn more.
All right, Kelly Wiley, thank you very much.